Before we start dividing polynomials, I just want to start with a couple of very simple division questions. Here's 10 divided by 2 and 6 squared divided by 6. First of all, let's take a look at 10 divided by 2. It's written as a fraction, but the fraction refers to division. So it's 10 halves, or 10 over 2, which is 10 divided by 2. And when we do this division question, we divide 2 into 10, and that goes 5 times. So that's pretty straightforward. When we look at 6 squared divided by 6, we can think that 6 squared is just 6 times 6 over 6. And if this would be the same as 6 divided by 6 times 6, that would be the exact same question. And this can be eliminated because 6 over 6 is 1. So 6 squared divided by 6 is just 6. Now this is the exact same division question. I'm dividing a monomial by a monomial, and all I've done is I've substituted the variable m where the number 6 was. So again, we do exactly the same thing. Let's take each piece separately. Let's take the numbers and then the variables. So if I take the numbers, I know that 10 divided by 2 is going to be 5. So I can just cross all those out and put the number at the top. And I know that m squared divided by m is just going to be m. So I can cross these all out and put an m there. And so I know that my answer is going to be 5m. So what I did is I divided first the numerals and then the variables to get my answer. So in this question, we have a polynomial as the numerator and a monomial as the denominator. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this and break it into its two parts. So 4x minus 6 divided by 2 would be the same as 4x divided by 2, so these things equal, minus 6 divided by 2. These two expressions are identical, but now you can see that it's a little bit easier to deal with. So now I can see that 4 divided by 2 is 2, so I can cross these out and put what I've got there. 6 divided by 2 is 3, so my answer, 2x minus 3. So that's how you're going to divide a monomial by a polynomial by a monomial. Just divide it into parts. And in this question we have exactly the same thing. We've got 4x squared minus 10x divided by 2x. First, let's break it apart into its pieces, which would be 4x squared divided by 2x minus 10x divided by 2x. These two are equivalent. So let's take a look at it. Here we've got 4 divided by 2, that's 2. And we've got x squared divided by x, so that's going to be x. And over here we've got 10 divided by 2, that's going to be 5. And x divided by x is just 1, so we don't need that. Now I know it's a little bit hard to see, but our answer is going to be 2x, right there, 2x, minus, I keep the same sign, minus 5. So the key here is just to divide it into its parts and deal with each part separately.